Back guys, today we are back with another problem. Today's particular problem is multiplying a particular linked list. So before I go and solve this particular problem, make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps me produce more interesting videos and more interesting content so that you guys can learn the concepts of DSA in a more nicer manner. So what you guys can see is that we will be given a linked list L1 and we'll be given a linked list L2. Okay. So what we can clearly see is we are having two linked lists. What we are having two linked lists. So what we are, the linked list looks like this, that 3 and 2 is a linked list. Okay. And then we are having a linked list 110 and this. So whenever we are multiplying this 32 with 2, we are returning 64. But remember, we are multiplying two linked lists. That means this number is multiplied with this and this as well. So 3 is multiplied with 2 to give us 6 and 2 is multiplied with 2 to give us 4. Okay. And now what we can see is for 100 by into 10 we will get 1000. So how we can solve this particular problem? Let us understand with the help of this particular code. So what it is saying, that the algorithm is saying that the first step is to traverse both the linked list to extract the numbers. So from linked list we have to extract numbers. It is given in the form of a linked list, right? From there we have to extract the number 3 individually, 2 individually, like that. After that we have to convert this extracted numbers into integer format, which I've already told you. Then we have to just multiply these numbers and return the result as a long value. That's all. There's nothing more difficult into it. We have to multiply the numbers, we have to extract the numbers, and then we have to multiply it. Okay. And when we can return it as a long value. Okay. So what is the function which I'll be making? So I'm making a function, say ABC. Okay. And in this particular function, what I'll be seeing is I'm having a node first and I'm having a node second. There are two nodes, first and second. I'm taking two values as n1 and n2. Okay. And I'm taking a modulus value 10e9 plus 7. 10e9 is nothing but 1, then 9 zeros, last 7. Okay. Why we are doing? To prevent overflow. As we don't know how big our numbers can be, as we don't know how big the input test cases can go, that's why in order to be in the safe zone, we are taking long and we are taking a modulus value of 10e9 plus 7 to prevent the overflow. First we are checking that the first value means the first node is not equals to null. Then only we can proceed, right? So how we can do? We are going to multiply the number. It is same as breaking a digit. We have to multiply that particular number into 10 plus the data stored at that particular linked list. In our case, if I have the data is 3 and 2, that means the data stored is 3. Okay, modulus divided by modulus. Why we are doing? To prevent the overflow. Then what we are doing? First equals to first dot next. So we can move from one node to the another. Now this is the second. So we also have to do the same process. See, I did first node equals to null. For second also I will do exactly same process. And second node equals to second dot next. So let us take example of this. This is say first node. This is say second node. So second equals to second dot next means we are moving to the next node. First equals to first dot next means we are moving to the next node. And while moving, we are extracting the digits and then we are moving. Okay. Finally, once we are done, we are storing n1 and n2, which stores the digits. Okay. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply the digits. As you know that 3 into 2 we have to do to get 6. For here 1 into 1 to get 1 and 1000, like that. So we have multiplied the digits in the end, n1 and n2, and then we have just divided modulus mod to prevent the overflow and return the answer. That's how simple this particular problem statement is. So if you guys can understand, give it a read once more. You guys will be able to understand this problem in very like short period of time. But you can see this is the function, and then after the function is created, what we can see that we are making our first value and second value. We are checking that the first and second are not null. So we are extracting the digits. Once extracting, we are also moving to the next digit by using first dot next and second dot next. We are now multiplying the top value with the down value, which is very simple, 3 into 2. So you are multiplying this 2 with the upper values, 32, and to get 64. That's all. Okay. Now let us execute this particular code. So I've written this code over here. You can see the same set of code I have written. I'm going to submit my solution. So guys, you can see that the problem has successfully compiled and we have solved this particular problem statement. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.